Mature me point before one two day he have exact orang ni terus deh. Mentara kali lah point ada ni point ni ni kan dia have exact point sini.
Kali tu. Mau suka kun rock.
This entire video was captured by Pakistani.
Yes.
Sir was martyred in the Tiger Hill.
No, this is point for it one two.
Okay. Close to Tiger Hill. Okay. Yes.
The hair
Ini sakit mungkin seakan ngomong masih mau.
Kan ni orang itu.
Orang itu pun dia kan mah. Lalu apa orang mesti berbajai.
Oh, 1999 yes.
Kembali budai semua.
Earlier, from this point, no, I mean during the war, they have to climb up all the way. But like after the war, like they have constructed road.
Okay.
So hardly from this vehicle point, the last point vehicle to this place, like hardly about 100 meters or so. 100 meters, but like I mean,
It will be very steep.
very steep and like you lose your breath also. And the first attempt, my dad could not make it.
I
The
could not
first-
make it.
He have to be brought down. So in the second attempt, he somehow like managed.
Because
This is the 4812 meters.
Yeah.
What it was during the Kargil conflict, and it may be pertinent to mention that some of us did take part in his journey when he was brought to Shillong after being martyred. Right from, I remember, Rhino Point onwards, we joined almost 25 years ago. So we've been directed by our central leadership to, as a party, BJP, to pay obeisance and to pay respects to the families of the martyrs. So our visit today is as a part of that directive. So I thank you for hosting us, and really we'd like to keep on remembering Captain Clifford Nongrum whenever such occasions arise. So thank you once again.
Memang dah kasi ngiawan agak jeng berhak nak yang juga parti nak buat Delhi. Nomor bukan independen saya kasi lai lui punya rekhi kali lai saya. Teman dah kasi habrok kau kari ni ahi. Kira berhak yang ini juga parti. Abang ngiawan biar gini Kynmaw jong kari dan ni kelawat. Kibla IT yang jengim banyak kun berapa ni ada. Ya ka street berbanding ada kari India berokoi mentakasi ngelayawan banyawan yang kendu banyak congkai bat mei pa jong liet Clifford Nongrum we ni kelawat jong kari kasih cecia bat garu jungi banyak kun yang kenal bat di bala IT yang jengim mentakasi ngelayawan banyak kendu ngat pe kan museum lu apa longkol saat di Kynmaw keketin kasih jungi dong bah mo im ka keting sakanam demdasi wan kila negeri yang ini men di para ki imi pa jong bah Clifford bang kuai boleh ngi lawan dengan museum bar kalong ke bos nak cibun bah porok kena don kila ya thu de ngi dadu ya di jingjia umno rarong ko kami sipai dan ko mo kisah but habangnya clear kerta kajing kerat jong iya kena cuma kalau ngah kapur bidang don arsos dan berata saya ini soal aku beli sibun ya kalau kali yang ada beliang beli Aisyah itu bat kan kal kubur dengan siapa apa siapa parti high command ke jungi juga parti BJP seperti ini